Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video, I am going to discuss about practical questions which might come in your half-yearly examination, class 9 computer science. So as you know, your computer science book is changed from this year, and in your half-yearly syllabus, all the MS Office applications are included, means MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. So all your practical work will be related to that. So in your practical exam, this type of question might come. From MS Word, creating biodata. I have already taught you how to create your biodata. Your biodata should contain all your personal information and academic informations. It should be short and descriptive. You should not write so long sentences in your biodata. Just it should be in short and to the point. And it should be also in standard color. Don't put red, white, green colors. It looks untidy. You can watch the video to know how to create your biodata, and also create brochure, which is added in chapter 11 case study. So whatever questions are there in case study, you can practice that for your practical exam. Creating a brochure means to create a poster using MS Word. There you can add pictures, text in some stylish form with background and all. So this one also I have showed you how you can do it. You can check it from my playlist, or I will give the link in description. From there you can check it. From MS Word or MS Excel, you can see how to create a report card, means how to create a mark sheet or report card, how you can calculate the total marks, how you can calculate the percentage and all. This one you can practice for your practical exam. And also you might see how to create a bill. In mark sheet generally we have only two options, total marks and percentage. Sometimes you also might ask to find out the maximum mark or lowest mark, but in a bill you might have quantity, then total, grand total, discount, these things. Or sometime in MS Excel practical, it also come to find out the calculate the salary of an employee. The employee might have DA, TA and bonus. These things means everything you have to add together. This type of video I have already done. You can see it from playlist. I will also add the list in description so you can see it from there. So practical okane mainly MS Word pora saba biodata, brochure, MS Excel pora creating report card, creating bill or creating employee salary. আৰু MS Excel যেতিয়া মার্কশিট বনাবা তেতিয়া টোটাল টু ফাইন্ড আউট কৰোতে ফর্মুলা ইউজ কৰিবা. যদি টোটাল টু নিজে ক্যালকুলেট কৰি কিনে লিখা, দেন প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ইনস্ট্ৰাক্টৰ যোন থাকে, প্র্যাকটিক্যাল এক্সামটো কন্ডাক্ট কৰিবলৈ যোনে থাকে টিচাৰ, তেওঁ তোমাৰ মাৰ্ক ডিটাক্ট কৰিব পাৰে. আৰু পাৰ্চেন্টেজৰ কাৰণেও সেম ওয়ে, নিজে ক্যালকুলেট কৰিব নালাগে, ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ কৰি কৰিব লাগিব. তাৰপিছত আহিলে পাৱাৰ পইণ্ট. PowerPoint বুকত এটাই কুৱেশ্যনছ আছে, ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেন্স ডেৰ লিডাৰৰ ওপৰত প্ৰেজেণ্টেশ্যন বনাব দিছিলে. চ' টপিক যিকোনো দিব পাৰে প্ৰেজেণ্টেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে. ইট কেন গিভ ইউ আ টপিক অন পলিউশ্যন, গ্ল'বেল ৱাৰ্মিং এণ্ড অল. চ' দ্য কণ্টেণ্ট ডাজ নট মেটাৰ ইন ইউৰ টপিক, only the format matters. When you create a PowerPoint presentation, the first page should be title page. There you will write your topic name. Suppose question or this create a presentation on global warming, so your first page should contain this line, presentation on global warming. And normally in presentation the first page contain two boxes, one title, one is subtitle. Title ot likhiba create a presentation on global warming, and subtitle ot likhiba presented by your name. And next page should contain introduction, means what is global warming. You can write just 1-2 line, যি টপিক হয় তাৰ ইন্ট্ৰোডাকশনটো 1-2 লাইন লিখিলে হ'ল. এণ্ড PowerPoint presentation should contain the information in short, not in descriptions. Always it should be in short so that easily can be understand. After introduction you can give some other points like global warming causes, how we can stop and all. And at the last page should contain thank you, and like that way you can create your PowerPoint presentation. So mainly these things you can see for your practical exam. Now what you will learn for your oral or viva. Mainly from chapter 3 all the short questions from MS Word, MS Excel and PowerPoint, all the short questions like extension of MS Word, what is header, what is footer, what is footnote, what is endnote, what is slide, means all the short questions which are related to your practical questions. What is formula, what is function, this everything. And learn all the shortcut keys, like shortcut key to find out thesaurus, shortcut key to save a file, shortcut key to open a file, this all the things. And also learn the full fundamental questions like what is a computer, what is the primary memory of your computer, different type of RAM, which are fundamental questions. যিবিলাক question তোমালোকে class 1-2 পৰাই পাই আহিছা, so হেনেকে টাইপৰ question সুধিব পাৰে oralত. You should know these questions. যদি পাহৰি গৈছা then one time you can brush up your questions and you can practice that. And all the full forms which are included in your practical chapters, that one also you can learn even from chapter 1, some like ENIAC, ITSAC, UNIVAC, ABC, RAM, ROM, BIOS, this type of full form you can learn for your oral exam. So this way your practical exam will be conducted. And most of the school, normally in your question paper there will be 3 questions, and each question might have one options, and most of the school will ask to do just 1 questions because of timing. And you will have 30 marks on practical. I hope practical will be divided this way: 25 practical and 5 mark viva or oral, and 70 marks theory. As your half yearly marks going to be added in final exam, so give your practical exam nicely, try to score full marks. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.